Yo, we are back at it again. Yo, this is another crazy one. This is another reason why people hate to be in relationships these days, even though we're supposed to be in relationships, have families, and all that other stuff, but you know, not the way the world is built. But anyway, please, if you are looking for this original video right here, and you don't want to hear my commentary, hit that card right here on the top right. Bam! You understand what I'm saying? Subscribe to Logical on Steroids, and please support the channel that provided this video. We're gonna get right into this.
On July 21st, 2025, Downers Grove police responded to a hotel after a frantic call from a woman reporting a domestic dispute. When officers arrived, they found a couple locked in a heated, toxic argument that only escalated as police allowed them to go back and forth. But during the chaos, something unexpected slipped out, and it changed the course of the entire encounter.
Did you call?
This is gonna be crazy.
I'm sorry, you what? Oh.
You called?
Yeah. So we got into it in my car. He took my phone from me, and I tried to tell him to give me my phone back and get out of my car. And he was refusing to get out of my car, so I threw my drink at him.
Okay.
And then he had me chasing him out there with my phone.
You know the great thing is?
Hang on, if you just say
You know what I've learned? Pull the cameras. Okay. And you'll see who's lying.
Okay.
She was in me.
Okay.
Pull the camera. That's the thing you don't understand. It's cameras.
Hey, don't argue right now.
It's cameras
You got my
outside.
phone.
It's cameras outside. It doesn't matter.
Sir,
You got my
sir,
ID. She
sir.
still has my ID.
If you just wait over there, thank you.
Okay, yeah.
Whenever somebody's rooting for the cameras, like the actual footage, you know what I'm saying? Like genuinely, yeah, that's who you go for. The other person is not even saying, yeah, check the cameras. So I already discredit them immediately.
Okay, listen. The only reason why I took this is because I was trying to get my phone back from him, and my
Pull
phone.
the cameras.
Hey, just
He can pull the
just wait over there.
She do a drink on my face and punch me in the back of the head.
Can you just wait over there? Thank you.
You wanna call the fucking police?
I'll be sending other
I took his ID because he had my phone and was refusing to give me my phone.
Okay.
Don't take my phone from me. Like, refusing to give my phone, had me out and chasing him in the parking lot for my phone. I took his wallet because you had my
After
phone.
you get what?
Don't talk to him, just talk to
After
him.
you threw a drink in my face and punched me in the back of the head.
If you just wait over there.
She's skipping all of that.
Camera. I hate when females lie to the police.
If you guys want, you can go look.
Yeah.
Pull the cameras. Simple as that. You're wasting your time talking to her about that.
If you could just let me talk to her.
Do you understand there was a man with a female lies on you?
Why are you being...
If I could just talk to her and then I'll come talk to you. Just hang tight.
Yeah, hang tight, buddy. You good.
What happened after that?
Well, I got my phone back, and the only reason why I took his stuff was because he had my stuff. That's the only reason why I don't need his stuff.
Right.
Then after that, I came in here and...
You can see how she can't even, she don't even want to lie with confidence anymore because she's sitting right there listening to her. If he was not in there, she'd have been faking her cries or lying with more confidence. Right now, she don't even sound like she have any confidence.
Let's put up the crazy clock!
You told the police I went in the bathroom. Did I go in the bathroom?
No, I didn't. I said he was there by the door.
Okay.
You were listening to my conversation.
Correct.
By
Because
the
I want to see
women's
what you were
bathroom.
lying about.
And then,
I don't need to lie about anything.
hang on, don't
Are you
talk to
ready?
me, talk to me.
Did you punch me in my head?
Don't talk to me, talk to me.
Yeah, I did.
Hey, I want to press charges.
Yo, don't just say you want to press charges and don't, because every damn video I was seeing, the domestic violent cases, the guy say, I don't want her to go to jail, I don't want to press charges. So don't end up like that. If you're going to do it, stick to it.
Just relax. So, you said you took your bags?
Those is my
Those are
bags.
your-
I took them from out of the room that my name is on. I brought them down here to bring
Hey,
her.
I'm talking to her right now.
Next.
Just hang on.
You can play this game all you want to.
I don't care anymore. I got my phone back.
I'm telling you, I go all the way in right now.
Go ahead and go all the way
Be
in.
careful.
You're mad because we're
Be
here?
careful. Be careful.
Don't talk
Be
to him,
careful.
talk to me.
Okay.
Alright.
She's kind of happy that he's acting like a fool in front of the cop. She's wishing that the cop would just have enough of his shit from interrupting and just lock him up.
You took the bags out of the room. Do you guys have the room for tonight, or you guys were staying here last night?
We have the room for tonight.
Yeah, I'm good.
We just came from another hotel, and the police just had to come yesterday to de-escalate a situation. And
Don't look at him. Keep talking to me. All right. You have your ID?
I do not. Go to the car. I can give you my license number.
Sure.
I live in New York.
New York.
132.
This is in New York ID?
Yeah.
So it started in the car, in the parking lot.
Did I hit you?
Just,
Did I hit you?
hey,
You know why she called y'all? Because she thought that I was calling y'all, that I was on the phone with y'all, because I was acting like I was on the phone with the police for her to stop fucking hitting me.
Oh, yeah?
just hang tight.
Really?
Just, hey, don't talk to him, talk to me.
I acted like I was on the phone with the police and she called the police.
I can send you to jail right now.
Yeah, no. You just admitted that you punched me.
Just
in the
sit
back of my
down.
head.
Just sit down.
You just admitted that you punched me in the back of my head.
Hey, just sit down.
What are you talking
You
about?
don't even pay for this. Like, why are you?
Okay, I want to press charges, sir. You heard her just admit that she punched me in the back of my head. I want to press charges.
Press charges.
We're to talk to both of you, and we're to talk to both of you and determine what happened.
I'm done.
She's walking away from him to show the cop that she kind of fears him. She's like,
Okay.
that man ain't gonna do
You
nothing
want
to
to
you,
talk to this
girl.
officer over here?
You the one hitting him.
I'm not talking to nobody.
Okay.
I just want to hear what she's telling me on my side. So when we go to court, we can pull them cameras and y'all can see the truth. She goes always on do wrong. It's given. It always happens.
Okay.
It doesn't start out, but the thing
So, stay right here. So, started in the car. What was the main issue?
Well, right now, I came back. He came back to me. I came out here. He lost his apartment. His lease was up. So now we've been living in a hotel for 3 months now. And I had lost like a top to my outfit that I was gonna wear. So I was kind of
What are you
irritated.
wearing?
Don't look at him, look at me.
And so I had made a slip comment.
Hello, viewers. We would be most grateful if you would be so kind as to subscribe to our Logic on Steroids channel. Stop pretending that your derriere don't stink.
He got mad because I said, maybe if you weren't homeless dealing with all this bullshit, like I'd be able to find my stuff. And he was like, here you are.
With that slapping.
Disrespectful. I said, I'm not trying to be disrespectful. I'm just being truthful. Like this is shit that we're dealing with right now because of who? And he was like, you know what, you could just drop me off right now. I flew back to the hotel, so I went back, I took him to the door, and refused to get out. And then, I don't know if he was thinking I don't know what he thought I was doing with my phone. He snatched my phone. Like, I just picked it up, and then next thing you know, my phone is out of my hand. So, like, that kind of just triggered me a little.
Did he say anything, or just took it?
He took my phone, and then we were running around there. I seen the people, and I was like, can I use your phone to call the police? And I think they were gonna like let me use their phone, but then he started coming in here, and people got scared. So, but I ended up snatching my phone back from him, like we fought a little bit in front of the door, and then I got my phone back from him, and I accidentally took his stuff, and this is actually my card though.
Yeah. How did you take his stuff?
Because I was reaching in his pocket.
Trying to get your phone.
Yeah. This is even my card. Like, he has my card.
Yeah.
I wasn't intentionally, like, I was just trying to get my phone, honestly. I'm a little, like, I'm not going to try to fight my way in.
So after you got that, you ran in here?
Yeah, and I called the police. I just have to call him. I don't even know why I keep...
And then did anything happen after you called?
I went into the bathroom and I was talking to her, and then like I poked my head out for a second because I thought I heard something, and then he was like right there by the door. And I told the lady, I said like he has all my stuff, and she was like, don't worry about it, and just she's like, just stay in the bathroom until the police come.
Alright, hang out here. I'm gonna go talk to him one more time and then get this worked out, okay? You just stay over here because he is. Yeah.
Let's see what he gotta say for himself.
What? You guys can go look on the camera right now because I didn't even reach in the back seat.
Listen, he's asking. I said that you hit me.
Why did I do that?
Just wait. He's asking me. Confirm me. Did she hit you? And I just said it was an accident. You went in the back to grab your bag, and when your hand came up, you accidentally hit me in my head.
See, look.
All right?
Look how he protected her now. Changing it up, trying to protect her. This is what men do. Have some kind of sympathy. Meanwhile, the chick is trying to send his ass under the jail for his entire life. Wow.
Well, you want your cards back? Here. You can have your cards. You
So
have any
what's-
other cards in my name?
What's the... What's the solution for
Right
you
now,
guys?
you need to go get your stuff out of my car. Right now.
Relax.
She's still mean to him. She don't give a damn.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm stomach just.
Upset? Yeah.
Listen, ain't nothing else gonna happen. When ain't gonna be no more argument.
Yeah, that's what I'm concerned.
He's trying to still be with her. Just reconcile without the police. She's trying to get rid of his ass.
Alright, ain't gonna be no more argument, none of that.
So you want to go your separate ways from him?
Yeah.
That's what it is.
See?
Can
Please,
Can you send me my money?
can you send me money?
Send me my money.
Well, I'm gonna get that car because I just made a payment for that car.
well,
Simple as that.
No, you did not.
hang on.
You know what's great about that? You know what's great about that?
We're not.
Proof. You don't understand that. That's what holds up in the court of law.
Okay, you know what? You owe
Can I
me
have my cards back,
thousands of
please?
dollars.
Can-
Let's be for real.
Hey, you can send me my money, or I can make this a very big issue right
Is
now. I'm
your
telling
car
you.
open?
Huh?
Is your car open from the garage stuff?
You can send me my money so I can go get a room and I can go get a ride because I no longer have no money because I paid for your car today.
No, you have money. Okay, listen. He's been having me out here paying for fucking everything you've been broke. And what you're not about to do, I don't care. What you're not about to do is this with me. Because me, out of all people in this world, I've been here for your broke ass. You haven't
I'm telling you
had shit.
stop. I'm telling you stop. I'm telling you stop.
Damn.
I'm telling you stop. Hey, y'all want to know
You
what she's
want
finna go
some money? I
do?
will never do.
Y'all want to know what
I'm
she's
not
finna go
the
do? Y'all want to know what she's finna go do right now? Y'all want to know what she's finna go do right now?
What? Throw everything out the car?
And I got video of it.
Dealing with your broke
And I got
ass.
video
And you
of
want
it.
to talk
I got
about you
video
can't
of
pay
it.
Klarna?
I
You
got
didn't
video
pay
of it.
shit.
I'm surprised they let them get close to each other
Go
still.
get my stuff.
Yeah, let's do that separately.
You still owe me thousands.
I'm finna go get my stuff.
Be for real.
Hey, she's pussy, bro. She's pussy. She about to go pussy right now.
You should have sent her ass to jail, nigga. You done messed up.
She about to go pussy right now, y'all. Just so y'all know. You want to pull this shit? I got video of this shit on you on the corner the other night.
I
Let's
will
listen
grab
to
your
it.
stuff. I will grab your
No,
stuff.
I won't get my own shit. Send me my fucking bitch.
You're not getting that.
Man in love with who he claims to be a you know what I'm saying, a seller, if you know what I'm talking about.
She is number 4 prostitute in all of
Is
Kazakhstan.
this what you want to fight about?
Yeah.
Listen,
Yeah,
I'm
she
trying
trying
to
to send me my money. Just send me my money. Just send me my money. Just send me my fucking money.
And now you're trying to talk
Send me
about you
my
paid
motherfucking
my you didn't pay
bitch.
no-
Send me my motherfucking money, bitch.
Can we get his stuff out of the car so he can go on his way?
Okay, so no, and now I want you guys to go run the cameras because he put his hands on me and you're gonna get
Yeah,
arrested.
you know what I did? I pushed your ass for grabbing all that shit.
I don't care.
Go run the cameras. All right, I want to press charges for punching me in my head.
Okay.
I want to.
Look. Nah, she did it on purpose now. I thought it was an accident. You come on, man. Yo. Jeez.
I want to press charges for punching me in my head.
I couldn't be no cop, man. Listen to two different stories coming from one mouth.
Sir, I want to press charges. I want to press charges.
Okay.
We press the charges. Thank you.
So you'd like to admit your
I want to move forward with press the charges.
No.
And I got video of you on the corner the other day. Because I know you, bitch. You try to do dumb shit like this, you asshole. You can't trick, bitch. Now. And you finna go to jail. I'm pressing fucking charges, you bitch.
She's allowing him to act a fool, hoping that the police will put him in custody and take him away instead. She's smart.
You just tried me,
Act
bro.
like an adult, dude. Go inside.
Nah, fuck that. I ain't going
Go
inside.
inside.
No.
Let's put up the crazy clock.
You see how he's going back and forth with the police?
There's no reason to make this work.
Nah, bitch just tried me, bro. Just fucking stay here and try me and just try to lie on me. I ain't never put my fucking hands on you. I put my hands on you when you just ran right there on the camera and took my fucking wallet out of my purse everywhere. It was 5 people out here.
We do have to arrest you for
It's the
domestic.
truth.
He took my phone, sir.
Yeah, because that shit just pissed me off. Somebody said lying to you about the police.
Okay.
I was just trying to. Okay, can you please go check the camera? Because I was just trying to chase him out here, grabbing my.
Yeah.
Officer, don't tell her you're gonna arrest her. Just do the damn thing.
I think you punched me in the back of my fucking head.
Everybody making me mad at this
Listen
video.
to it to him. You told him.
Because we were out here.
No, you punched me in the car.
So now she's talking soft to him.
Sorry. Alright, shove him
See?
here.
But that shit get you when you try to take me to fucking jail? You bitch. Shut the fuck
I'm
up.
gonna go run the cameras and see that he put his hands on me.
We'll attempt to get that. I don't know if it's accessible or not.
Wow.
Okay? We'll do our best to investigate, but based on what you told me and what he's told me, I have to arrest you. Two, Paul, one.
She can't believe that she lost this round.
Do you need to get anything else while we're here?
I'm relaxed. I'm relaxed. I ain't gonna say nothing else. I promise.
Some money for my car. Am I gonna need
It's in your
it?
car?
I'm hot. I need to breathe right now.
You will have to go out the county, but you
So
should
you're
get...
really about to send me to jail?
Yeah.
Wasn't you
I
just
could have sent you to jail.
Girl, you was gonna send his ass under the... Hey, get the hell... What's wrong with this girl?
So many times. Like, this is crazy.
Yeah.
You called a man broke, he just paid your car.
Do we need to put those in
You hit the man back in the head.
suitcase and stuff?
Yeah.
We're gonna put those in the car? Okay? Hey,
I don't want her to go to jail.
talk to me. Talk to me.
I don't want her to go to jail. I don't want to press charge.
Y'all hear him in the background? I don't want her to go to jail. We know that.
That in the car? Okay. You got the key with
I
you?
didn't call y'all. She called
Okay.
to try to run. Sir, listen. I don't want her to go to jail.
But you already changed your mind. So we got to do this now. Sorry.
You've exceeded your many chances. Try signing up for premium.
Stop. This nigga
Grab your
here.
stuff. We'll swing back around and put it back in.
Sir. The only reason why I called you guys is because I was scared because he took my phone.
Right. But there were lots of people out here that you could have
I did.
asked
I
to come in.
tried to. I did try. I swear. I
And
tried.
you could also come in here
I
and
did.
ask to use their
I
phone.
did. I swear to God, I asked those family right here. There was a kind guy and woman right here.
Yeah.
And then he came and
We're going to go up front to my car, okay?
Little tears. They start crying like little toddlers, yo. Well, you don't try to send that man away, girl. Stop it. You're an adult. Take it like a
Look at her with her bitch ass.
You done attack the damn man.
I got a TL image of a cat mail party, please.
The woman, Fatima, was ultimately charged with domestic battery. Make physical contact. What are your thoughts on this case? Should the man have been arrested as well? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more police body cam footage.
Yo, real talk. I think she got what she deserved. The dude, I think, is fair. You know what I'm saying? He didn't go to jail because he was willing to play them cameras the whole time, play the video. You know what I'm saying? So I believe what he was saying. I believe if he did have to push her, it's for a good reason. I don't think he's just gonna wake up and just push somebody just because he's happy. That's not how the nature of men rocks. We don't rock like that. But not all men. I got some dumb idiots out there too. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel right here, and check out their videos. They're the one provided this video right here. You know what I'm saying? Watch more crazy videos on their channel. Also subscribe to us, Logic on Steroids. We got some videos too now. We catching up now. All right. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.